I'm coming in.
Hello people, this is English or Hot. My name is Franco and my first invitee of 2020 is Isabella Ballerina, my pregnant friend. Clap for her head. One clap.
Hi Falco, how are you?
Hello, I'm okay.
Great, I'm glad to hear that.
First, this baby no is mine, okay? How months you have in your belly?
How many months?
How many months you have a baby? How many time in your inter?
Okay, I'm 7 months pregnant right now.
Okay, is probably that you make a part here?
I'm not sure about it, maybe.
Okay.
Not here in the program though.
What?
Not here in the show.
Okay, not here in the show.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. I don't have paramedic in the set.
Okay.
Okay, Isabella is a pediatrician. My pronunciation is good, or it's British? My English is British.
Oh, that is. Yeah, I'm not aware of British accent apparently.
Okay, if you don't understand me, it's for this situation.
Yeah.
Okay, well, the baby no have a problem with you when away out of you, because you are pediatrician.
Yeah.
Is a fail for me. I need apps. One, two, three, four. Come with me.
5,
5,
6,
7,
6,
9,
no, 7, 8, 9,
9, 10.
10.
Only 10. Okay.
Okay, you know the numbers.
You have an exercise pregnant?
Very little, actually. I haven't been exercising. I should, but I haven't.
Don't speak faster because I know no cap.
I'm
No, I
very
know-
sorry. I also have an accent, so I know it's a bit
But
harder
that
to
is-
understand.
this is
It's
the-
not British.
You are?
It's not British, my accent. so-
Okay, but because
Yeah.
say what?
If you don't mind asking, what is this, Falco?
This is a motivation for me for learn English more faster.
Okay. So you
You understand me?
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. It's a demo. You are my little Indian rabbit.
A guinea pig. Guinea pig. The Indian rabbit is a guinea pig.
Guinea pig.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't understand. Come with me.
The name Falco is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, for finish the interview.
It's done?
What?
It's done already?
Yeah, that's a 4.
Okay.
No, but I have the last question for you.
Okay.
It's very important, this question. Listen. I don't know. I don't have a question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, my friends.
Okay.
That's all for. This is the end of the show. Remember, the name is English or Hot. My name is Falco. My pregnant friend is Isabella Balenila. Thank you, Isa.
Thank you for having me here. Are you okay?
English are hot. English are hot.